Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between the Swiffer Power Mop Wood Quick Dry formula and the Power Mop Unstoppable Fresh formula. So they both install in the Swiffer Power Mop. You just press this button right here, it's going to pop out. They both have this little area right here. When you push it down, there's going to be a needle go in there and puncture that to let the solution out whenever you want. So you just simply put it in and push it down, it's going to click into place. And I can take it out and it's not going to leak. Now it does say the wood quick dry dries up to 2 times faster than the Mr. Clean, not against another Power Mop formula. Okay, so let's use the wood formula on this hardwood floor. Again, there's no need to rinse. You simply just install it, press the trigger up here, and it's going to come out. And there's batteries right there. You're going to put AA batteries in. So we got some stubborn stains right here. All right. Yeah, it actually is drying pretty quick. I sprayed quite a bit there. Yeah, not too bad. Now, it doesn't have a heavy scent either, but it does smell kind of clean, but just not a real heavy scent. Okay, let's try the Unstoppable. This is the Fresh. Again, simple thing. You don't have to rinse it. You're just going to spray it out. I think they both clean the same because you've got a scrubber action pad on. So as far as cleaning, I think it's pretty close to the same. Got some really stubborn stains right here. So if you do want a little bit more scent whenever you're cleaning, I do like the smell of this. It does smell really good, and it does smell a little bit more than the wood. And this one's drying pretty quick too, so maybe the wood does dry a little bit quicker than this one. I really do like the Swiffer Power Mop. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.